Today I will be showing you techniques you can use to print graphics using stencils cut with your Muse laser cutter. You will need a brush, acrylic paint, sticker paper, and an item to print on. I'm using a pillowcase. Place a piece of cardboard inside to prevent the paint from bleeding through. Once you have cut out your stencils, plan where you would like to position your design. When you are sure, remove the backing and place them where desired. Be sure the stencils are well adhered to the surface to prevent the paint from seeping underneath the stencil. Carefully brush the acrylic paint over the stencil. Remove the stencils and discard them. Once you are finished painting, set it aside to dry. Let's try another one. Position your stencils, then place them where desired. Make sure that they are well adhered, and then paint over them with acrylic paint. When you are done, remove them. It's that easy. Once the paint is dry, you can go over it with an iron to set the paint. Use this technique to make other personalized items such as t-shirts, tote bags, patches, or anything you want. Thanks for watching.